Hey, it's Marko, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block notifications on iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is open up settings, and once you have opened up settings, go to notifications. And before I continue, please subscribe to the channel. Now you have different options to display things as count, stack, list or whatever, but that doesn't interest you. What you want to do is find a specific app you want to turn off the notifications. So let's say Airbnb, for example. If I click this on, now I won't get any notifications from Airbnb. If I click it back on, I will start to get notifications one more time. And the other way is to go back to focus and create your own focus. So for example, I have this one in which it says apps none allowed. That means that no app will send me a notification. I mean, I will get the notification, but I won't be able to see it here. You see, it will show up something like this, but I won't be able to see it until I turn this off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.